In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of task boxes in Asana. A quick heads up before we start. Asana doesn't let you change the base color of the task boxes themselves. What you can do, and what works really well, is color code tasks using a custom single select field. Those colors then show up across list, board, calendar, and timeline views, and in timeline you can use color by field for a clear visual map of your work. First, open your browser and go to the Asana login page. Choose Continue with Google, then pick your Google account to sign in. Once you're in, open the project where you want color coding to appear. This approach works best when the whole team uses the same field, so make sure you're customizing the correct project. In the project, look to the top right and click Customize. In the panel that opens, choose Fields. This is where you control the data that appears on each task. Click Create New to build a field that will drive your colors. We'll use priority as the example because it's one of the most helpful ways to color code tasks. Type priority as your field name. Set the field type to single select. This type is important because each option in a single select field can have its own color, and Asana uses those colors to visually tag tasks in your views. Now add your options one by one. For example, type high and pick a strong color like red. Add medium and choose an amber or yellow. Add low and choose green or a softer tone. You can rename these to match your workflow. Just make sure each option has a distinct color that's easy to recognize at a glance. When you're happy with the options and colors, click Create Field to add it to your project. From here, the magic happens as tasks use that field. When a task is set to high, medium, or low in the priority field, you'll see the corresponding color appear in list and board views, and on calendar and timeline. If you're in timeline, open the color menu and select Color by Field, then choose your priority field to see the entire plan grouped by color. This makes it incredibly easy to scan deadlines and spot what needs attention first. A few quick tips to keep things clean and consistent. Use a simple, universal color scheme your team agrees on, keep the number of options manageable, and avoid changing colors frequently so your visual cues remain reliable. And that's it, your tasks are now color-coded in Asana using a custom field.